What's up, guys? We're back. Lesson 12, Mod 3, subtracting fractions, mixed numbers. Let's get it going. Same stuff, but it's bigger and better. So we're going to do E first, and this is number 1. So this is number 1. So we're going to do 4 2/7 minus 3 1/3. Again, I like to do, when I'm doing this, I like to do it vertically. Okay, so common denominator is 21. So now I got to make equivalent fractions. This was times 3, so this is times 3, and that's a 6. This was times 7, this was times 7, so that's a 7. Now, we cannot subtract 7 from 6, okay, because I only have 6. So what we need to do is we need to borrow from this 4, and I'm going to make it a 3, okay? So now when I make this a 3, I borrowed a fraction. I borrowed 1 whole. Well, that fraction I borrowed was 21 over 21. And, oh no, hold on one second. How is my battery low? I have 89%. Oh my, hold on one second. Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize this was recording. My fault. Hold on. Okay, sorry. So, oh shoot. Hold on. Having technical difficulties. I'm going to pause. Okay, so I guess apparently my little pad here is battery's going dead. Okay, so now I got 21 twelfths. Oh shoot. Man, come on. Okay, so I got 21 twelfths from that one hole. Plus, it's like delay and everything. Okay, plus the 6 twelfths 21s I already have. So now I have 27 over 21. Don't worry about that. Cross this off, make that 27. Now this becomes 20 over 21. I'm sorry, 20 over 21. Oh, I'm a mess. Hold on. Let's bolt together there. Okay, next one. Same idea, 17 2/3 minus 5 5/6. Now, some of you are going to say my common denominator is going to be 18, and I get it. Or you could say 12, but the least common multiple of 3 and 6 is actually 6. So we got to make sure, the multiples of 3 are 3 and 6, multiple 6. So there it is. Times it by 2, times it by 2, and that's a 4. This is by 1, 1, so there's 5. So again, like the last problem, we can't take 5 from 4. So I'm going to borrow from the 17, make it a 16. What did I just borrow? I borrowed 6 6. So 6 6 plus 4 6 is 10 6. And that will give me 5 6. And 16 minus 5 is 11. So there's my answer. Next problem. It says Mr. Neville's the ice guy. He mixed up 12 3/5 gallons of chili for a party. If 7 3/4 gallons of chili were mild and the rest were extra spicy, how much extra spicy did he make? Well, even though it doesn't say make a diagram, this is what it would look like as. So this whole bar represents the total amount of chili he made, which would be 12 3/5. So this is your diagram. Now, 7 3/5 or 7 3/4 was chili, was mild. Okay, and I need to know what was extra spicy. Okay, so that's what I don't know. So I'm going to do 12 3/5 minus 7 3/4. 12, that's going to be 20, and this is going to be minus 7 and 20. Times it by 4, I get 20. Times it by 3, I get 12. Again, I'm doing this a little fast, but it's the same stuff. This is 15. Can't do 12 minus 15, so that's going to be 11. So now I just borrowed 20 twentieths, add that to 12, and I get 32 twentieths. Again, 20 twentieths plus 12 twentieths is 32. So then I do this is 4, and that's out of 20, and then that's 17. And how much extra space? 4 and 17 gallons. Okay? All right, check out the flow chart. Bye. Sorry for all the problems.